Right, hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Tricks of the Trade, where I talk you through some cool, interesting and different tricks in kiteboarding so that you can start trying a few new things on the water. Today's clip, I'm going to talk through a nose slide or a Steezy Nose Slidey, I don't know what it's called, a Steezy Nose Slide. So this is a trick that again you really do need speed for. You want to make sure you're going fast enough, and a really important thing to make sure that this trick is a bit easier as well is to make sure that you are on flat water. There is no point in trying this trick if the water isn't flat, because it will be too difficult to predict and keep up on the nose of your board. So as you're coming in to this trick, you want to have your kite at 11 o'clock. Maybe a little higher than you would on standard riding terms so that it can support a little bit of your weight, but most of all you want to be going fast. As you think about making the switch up onto the nose of your board, you open up your chest and bias your weight over what is here, the nose of my board, digging that into the water, bending my front knee and leaning over that bent knee while straightening the other back knee, staying strong over that knee with your center of balance as vertical as possible. You can counterbalance with your arm. Steezy hand gestures may help, but it just seems to happen. Once you're up on the nose of your board, you keep that center of balance as vertical as possible. You will get a bit of forward and backwards play, so you need to stay really strong on that front leg. Stay nice and strong through your core, push through that front leg and hold this as long as possible. Once you've locked into this, hold the position for as long as you can. Don't get greedy to start with, try some short ones and then get longer and longer. Once you're finished and ready to slide out, straighten up that front leg, push the nose round, come back onto your regular heel side edge, stomp it and ride away.